You're wasting hours editing videos, and you don't even realize it. What if I told you you could finish your edits 10x faster and still make them look better? Not worse, better. That's exactly what changed everything for me. I get paid per video, not per hour. So every extra minute I spend editing is money I'm losing. At one point, I was painfully slow, dragging clips, searching files, rebuilding the same things again and again. It felt like I was stuck in a loop. Then one small shift changed everything. Not a plugin, not a new PC, not some crazy trick, just a smarter system. Let me show you something. Imagine you're about to edit a video. You open your timeline blank. Again. You import clips again. You look for sound effects. Again, you build animations from scratch. Again. That's the real problem. You're not editing. You're rebuilding everything every single time. So I created something that changed everything. A system, a machine. Think of it like this. Instead of starting from 0, you start from 80% done. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create a project. Name it something like Editing System or Content Factory. This is not a video. This is your weapon. Step 2. You fill it. Everything you ever use. Transitions, sound effects, text styles, animations, backgrounds, music, icons, everything. Don't overthink it. Just dump it all in. Organize it if you can. Folders like text, SFX, transitions, overlays. But even if it's messy, it's still powerful. Now here's the part that changes everything. Next time you edit a video, you don't start from 0. You just copy, paste, adjust.
That's it.
You made a cool animation once? Reuse it. You designed a clean title? Reuse it. You found a perfect sound effect? Reuse it. Suddenly, editing feels fast, smooth, effortless, and your videos, they become consistent, clean, professional. But here's where most people struggle next. Their PC. You try to edit, but it lags, freezes, crashes, especially with 4K footage. And now, your speed drops again. But there's a simple fix. So almost no one uses it properly. Proxies. Here's what happens. Instead of editing heavy files, you edit a lighter version. Lower quality, faster playback, smooth timeline. But when you export, now, it switches back to full quality. So your final video still looks perfect. It's like editing on a slow PC, but feeling like you upgraded it overnight. Just right, click your footage, create proxy. Done. And suddenly, no more lag, no more frustration, just speed. But then something sneaky happens. You finish editing a part and you replay it again and again and again. Not because you need to fix something, but because it feels good. This is where most editors lose hours. Hidden procrastination, so I created a simple trick, a visual reminder. Whenever I finish a section, I drop a colored layer on top, just a subtle tint. Now, when I try to rewatch it unnecessarily, I see that color. It instantly reminds me, move forward. It sounds small, but it changes your behavior completely. You stop wasting time. You stay focused. You finish faster. Now the last one. This one doubled my speed instantly. Shortcuts. Not all of them. Just one. Playback speed. When you're cutting footage, watching at normal speed is slow, so increase it. 2x speed, 3x speed. But here's the mistake. Most people never use it, because the shortcut is awkward. So move it. Bind it to your mouse, or an easy key. Now it becomes natural. You press it without thinking. And suddenly, cutting footage takes half the time. Everything becomes faster. Same editor, same skills, same tools, but completely different speed. And here's the truth. It was never about working harder. It was about removing friction. Less repetition, less lag, less distraction, less wasted motion. Odd. And when you remove all of that, editing becomes something else. Not stressful, not slow, but controlled. You open a new project, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, you already know this is going to be fast. And that's when everything changes. Not just your speed, but your confidence, your consistency, your results. Because now you're not just editing videos, you're running a system, and systems always win.